Lucy, by the way.
Hi.
And we are in
Parc des Bastions.
Yes, so nice.
Geneva.
Oh yes, I forgot to tell. I'm gonna do a rally. Right? Let's
The Geneva
see.
spirit.
Yes, and I'm gonna be in which team? Zeno.
Gino.
You know if you know Zeno? But we're gonna learn more about it. We just arrived in Garouche. It's like a city in a city with a lot of galleries, bohemian style, and a lot of influences from the south. And we are on the way to a chocolate workshop. Let's enter the famous chocolatier. I smell chocolates. So this is in the factory. And this one is called Madame.
Alors, ça c'est la ganache.
Taste
Un
it.
mélange de crème et voilà. Ébullition, ça crème. Après,
So then
ouais,
they will cut it like this, little squares. Goes in this nice machine,
Africa.
special machine.
Try it.
And then the result.
You can try it. Thank you.
This is, oh, try. This is the result.
Apricoty.
Because they're not too sweet.
What's inside?
Oh, that's why.
Don't have too much sugar, everything.
Cherry or something.
À telle heure, on fait la pièce.
Combien de temps il faut
Ok. Chocolat liquide. Et voilà. Ça tient pas. Donc, moi, vous m'appelez et je vais mettre la bombe de froid.
call Fred
So you-
and he's going to fix
Oh, cool.
You have to call him to fix it.
Ok?
What is it? Ice.
Ice, it's a freezing.
Lower cooler.
C'est des bombes de froid pour le.
Lower cooler.
Blower cooler.
Okay, cool.
Ok? Donc on est d'accord, vous avez tous la même
Yeah.
chose. Ok?
So we have to use.
So this is my creation. It's called La Travestite.
Ouais.
It's called? How are you gonna do to take these home?
I don't know.
Right.
Our creations.
I'll set it.
cool.
I'll set it in some sort of.
This is difficult to take home. We're inside a tuk-tuk. I don't know how you call it.
Yeah, taxi bag.
Taxi bag.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, the taxi bike, yes. So there's a taxi bike. And I don't know where we're going. Hello, hello. This is the world's largest clock, and actually every 3 weeks, I believe, they're putting new flowers. So it's designed by Patek Philippe. How do I know this? Else I would probably forget. We are in the kitchen of Starling Hotel, which is really close to the airport. We're in the conference kitchen. It's amazing, really!
Tu fais ça.
Alright, let's put some sashimi blanc.
C'est très difficile à
Oh, so thick!
It's okay for you?
Yes! It's like cooking with my mother. Oh yeah.
Okay, okay. It's beautiful.
Beautiful!
It's good, yes. Little bit.
Can you also put for me a little bit? Yeah? Alright, let's eat! Thank you! Ah, cool! I like this.
Producing high quantities. So that
Early morning, so early. I'm leaving Geneva, I'm at the airport, and I would say thank you so much for watching my vlog, the vlog of NN in Wonderland, and I really hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give me a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!